Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Twitter problem. To know how to find a solution about Twitter, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Twitter app and we click. When you'll find this page of app info, you will enter to force stop and we click OK. After that we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end of all the steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watch.